Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natia, and today I have a wig unit sent from Klaiyi Hair Company. This wig is their 20-inch Ombre Chestnut Brown curly hair unit with finger coiled ends. I'll get up close so you guys can see the ends and also that ombre color. The lace on this one is 7x5, and it does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you. And it's made with a stretchy dome cap, and it also has the rubber grip around the perimeter as well as the drawstring elastic band for a perfect fit and a seamless, completely glueless install. So y'all, I ran out of dark brown stocking caps, and this one is a little light. I don't want it to show through the lace, so I'm going ahead and adding some of my foundation powder just to tint it to my skin complexion. This will ensure that once I put that wig on, it looks like scalp through the lace and you can't see it through the lace. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and try our wig on right out of the box. One thing I love about these new upgraded caps is that curvature around the ears. It literally fits perfectly. So guys, first impression, I absolutely love the curls. They're so soft and fluffy. But I will say the lace is a little light, so just adding some of that powder we used on the cap to help it match a little bit better. And pow, literally looks like I glued it down, y'all. It looks so good already. So next, let's get into these curls, y'all. They are so soft and fluffy, and I definitely want to keep that big curly look, but I want to define the ends on it a little bit more. I'm just taking a spray bottle filled with water, regular water, and I'm wetting the hair that was a little dry, and I'm just going in and finger coiling the ends on it. So I do, like I said, I do want to keep that puffy, curly, fluffy look. So I'm not going to go through and like make the hair super juicy, curly. I've done that in other videos, and I just think for this look, I do want to keep that kind of big, curly look instead of the super juicy, curly look, if y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm going ahead and I'm just spraying that hair to my desired look. I did this side already and it looks so pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So once I was done defining those curls, the ends of those curls, this is pretty much what the hair looks like. Y'all, this is so pretty. But I would not be myself if I did not go in and cut a little bit. I feel like y'all know me by now, but I wanted that like bang look. I feel like it makes the curly hair look a little bit more natural, because most people that I know with naturally curly hair, they usually have like that bang look going on. So I think this makes it look so much more natural and so super cute. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just trying to get the top of their hair flat. I did not want to go in with a hot comb, so I just added a little bit more water and my comb, and I combed it down a little bit, and now I'm just adding some spray. I am not gluing this wig down. I'm literally just spraying it on the hair to give it a little bit more volume in the inside. That spray, by the way, guys, that I'm always telling y'all about is a multi-purpose spray. It is a 2-in-1 spray, so you can use it to tack your wigs down, but you can also use it for styling. So if you haven't gotten it already, go ahead and check it out. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my description box. The link to this hair will be down below. But guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. And for it to be completely glueless, I feel like this is the perfect vacation hair, or just your throw on and go wig if you're going to the gym or something. I think it would be super cute. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.